Hi Vintage Bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making lemon blackberry drop biscuits. Every bite of these lemon blackberry drop biscuits is soft, tender, and bursting with sunny summer flavor. The fresh blackberries adds little bursts of jammy goodness, while the lemon brings that pop of brightness that makes them perfect for sweet or savory toppings. These easy biscuits are everything you love about summer, bright citrus and juicy berries. With a touch of sweetness and a drizzle of white chocolate, these are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or an afternoon treat with tea. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make lemon blackberry drop biscuits. To start this recipe, I'm going to whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. To the dry ingredients, I'm going to stir in 1/3 cup of oil, 2/3 cup of milk, and the juice and zest from 1 lemon. Mix this until the batter just comes together. The less you handle the dough, the more tender your biscuits will be in the end. Finally, I'm going to fold in 1 cup of fresh blackberries. I'm leaving some of mine whole, and some of them I'm going to slice into half or quarters. Gently stir these in, and then the batter is ready to spoon onto the cookie sheets. I'm just using 2 spoons to drop 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of the dough onto my lined cookie sheets. And then they're ready to go into my preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius oven, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. These biscuits are so quick and easy to make, you can have them on the table in under half an hour. Who says you need a fancy technique to bake something incredible? These drop biscuits are super quick to make and full of flavor and delicious texture. They're baked until golden for the perfect crispy crust, but tender, soft inside. Simple, stunning, and seriously delicious. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.